Hope you have tried the 5 questions in the article of determining the order and degree, and here I'm going to discuss those. First one is we have dy by dx plus xy squared equals 0. So order is the highest derivative of the differential equation. Here we have dy by dx, which is the first derivative of y. So we can write order as 1 here. And the degree is the power to which the highest derivative is raised. So here the first derivative is raised to the power 1. So we can write the degree as also 1. So moving on to the second one, we have a partial differential equation here. Doesn't matter, we can determine order and degree of partial differential equations as well. So we have delta squared u by delta x squared plus delta squared u by delta y squared equals 0. So here we have a second order differential equation. So both the terms is the second derivative. So we can write the order as 2, and when determining the degree we can see the both the derivative parts have been raised to the power 1. So we can determine the degree as 1 here. Okay, so the third one, when we look at the third one, we have t squared d squared y by dt squared plus t dy by dt plus 2y equals sine t. So nevertheless we have a sine term here. We can determine the order and degree since the derivative parts are not interfered by the sine part. So determining the order, here the highest derivative we can find is the second order. So here we have second derivative, then we can write the order as 2, and when considering the power to which it is raised, it is 1. So the degree of the equation is 1. Okay, moving on to the fourth one, we have an equation d squared y by dx squared equals 1 plus dy by dx whole thing squared inside the root. So here we have a root here, so we have to get rid of the root to find the order and degree, since we have to make the equation in the polynomial form. So to get rid of the root, we can square both sides of the equation like this: d squared y by dx squared whole thing squared plus 1 plus dy by dx squared whole thing squared. So from the squared we can cancel out the root here. So here we get the equation like this: d squared y by dx squared whole thing squared equals 1 plus dy by dx squared. So determining the order, the highest derivative of this equation is d squared y by dx squared. So the order can be written as 2, and the highest derivative of this equation is raised to the power 2 here. So the degree is the exponent of this dy squared by dx squared, which is 2. So the degree and order is both are 2 in this equation. Okay, moving on to the last question, fifth one, we have sine dy by dx plus d squared y by dx squared plus 3x equals 0. So determining the order, we have d squared y by dx squared term, second derivative of y, so we can write order as 2. When determining the degree, since this equation has a sine term interfering with dy by dx, a derivative term, we are unable to determine a degree of this equation since this equation is not in the polynomial standard form. So the degree of this equation cannot be determined. So here we can write cannot be determined. So hope you have understood that how to determine the order and degree through these 5 questions, and also in the article we have provided another example questions prior to these questions that you need to try. Hope you have gone through both of them and have a clear idea of determining the order and degree of these differential equations. Okay, stay tuned.